Hey, Chef D here for National Wing Day. Okay, so let's take it back. Come on, you guys are gonna come back with me. Come on. We're going back. We're going way back into the 80s when, actually early 90s, when the Buffalo Bills were playing really great football and they were making it to Super Bowls and then losing. But that's a whole nother story. We used to go to this bar called Antonio's. We'd go to the Bills game over in Orchard Park, come back over to Fort Erie and go to Antonio's. I always loved what they did with their wings. They sauced them and then he finished them in the pizza oven so they get crispy. We have some beautiful big wings from our good friends at Southern Pride. We're just gonna pop these in. I like drying them off. And I'm not, there's a lot of people out there, you like them breaded, go for it. You like them done in the grill, go for it. I think deep frying them is the way to go. Put them in the deep fryer. They're gonna deep fry for about 9 to 11 minutes until they're done. So away they go. So our wings are getting close. Again, you can get a meat thermometer, put the meat thermometer in 185 degrees and you're good to go. Or you can just start seeing that they're starting to float up to the top, get really nice and brown, and you know that they're almost ready to go. So we're probably about a minute away from putting the sauce on it. So our wings are done. We're gonna put them in our bowl. Yes, we do have the ChefD butter hot sauce. So this is clarified butter. It's my version of like a New York sauce, New York butter sauce. So we're gonna put our sauce on. Get them nice and saucy. It's the only time that I'm gonna mention like getting them nice and saucy. We're gonna turn them around. You notice why I'm wearing the dark chef coat today. We're gonna place them on a baking sheet, 400-degree oven. We're gonna put them in the oven for about 4 minutes so you get the sauciness. It's gonna dry out and be really nice and crisp. Big reveal time. We've had them in the oven for about 5 minutes of real time. The crew's going nuts because we can smell all this. Just look at. Again, like I said, they were saucy when they went in. They come out nice and, oh yeah. Oh man, oh good. National Wing Day. Enjoy your wings.